Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come on to do a quick recipe. It's a spice skillet chickpea. This recipe is inspired by Darren Macy, and the original recipe had mushrooms in it, but I don't care for mushrooms, so I just decided not to use it. And I'll be using onion and garlic only instead. So it's a quick and easy recipe, which I love. You guys know how I like to go with my quick and easy recipes. But it gotta taste good. Gotta be good. This dish, it works as a salad topper. It can be a side dish all its own. It can go in soups, wraps, or bowls, or you can use it as a snack. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I am back. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil in the pan, and you can use like a splash of water or some vegetable broth if you don't want to use the oil. And then we're gonna add in a half a medium onion diced. So here is our oil. And then we're going to put in a half an onion, diced. And we're going to saute this just a bit. And I think I would have used a little bit less oil because this is a lot of oil for me. I try to use the least amount that I can if I'm using oil. Or use the vegetable broth instead. And like I said, I was out of the vegetable broth, so well, no, I didn't say that. But I was out of the vegetable broth, guys, so that's why I didn't use it. So we're gonna let that saute for a little bit, for about 6 or 7 minutes, like I said, and then we're gonna go ahead and like put the spices together, because we're gonna put spices into this dish. So, and I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, you guys, the onions are browning really well. And I didn't use the minced garlic. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I like garlic, but today I just opted not to do it. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the beans. These beans have been rinsed, and I want to start getting into the habit of cooking dry beans instead of the canned beans. But when I do the canned beans, you know, I do make sure that I drain them and I rinse them really well. Okay guys, so I'm back, so we're gonna go ahead and get the spices together. So we need a teaspoon of everything. And we need a teaspoon, we need a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder. My stuff is just kind of need a teaspoon of oregano. I'm sorry guys, I wasn't showing you as I went along. A teaspoon of black pepper, and I don't know how this is going to work really well. So we're just going to do a couple of turns. And a teaspoon of sea salt. And again, we're just going to do a couple of turns. Oh, That wasn't even coming out, guys. Okay, there we go. I had the lid still on it. And then we're gonna do a teaspoon of the garlic powder. And that's the garlic powder. All right. I'm just gonna take this and just mix it up just a bit. My hand is always in the way. Let me use my left hand so you guys can see. Okay guys, so the beans are brown. And we're gonna go ahead and add the spices in. And then let them cook a few more minutes to get the seasoning in, and then then they're all done. You can use these in multiple ways. You can even use like zucchini and put it with zucchini, yellow squash, Brussels sprouts. I mean, you can use it in a number of different ways. I have yet to use it in soup, but I definitely will be trying that when I started making my soup in the fall and winter when it gets a little colder. I love chickpeas, and I've always loved chickpeas, especially in salads. So this is kind of like an added plus because it's got like different flavors and it's really, really delicious. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to try this recipe or share a chickpea recipe that you have. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye guys.